the United States goes to great lengths to make sure that there's no other great power in the Western Hemisphere, number one, and number two, that no distant great powers, no great powers in Europe or no great powers in Asia, wander into the Western Hemisphere. That's our backyard. That's the most important area of the world for us. But the fact is, the United States is remarkably secure in the Western Hemisphere. And it doesn't have to worry much about the Western Hemisphere. So then the question becomes, what areas of the world are so important to the United States that we're willing to fight and die there in a really serious way? And the answer is that there are three areas outside of the United States that matter greatly for our security. And those three areas are Europe, Northeast Asia, and the Persian Gulf. Those are the three key areas of the world for us. And Europe and Northeast Asia are of great importance to us because that's where the other great powers are. Europe is where Imperial Germany was, it's where Napoleonic France was, it's where the Soviet Union was, it's where Nazi Germany was. Europe really matters to the United States because other great powers are there. The other region that is a home for great powers is obviously Asia, Northeast Asia. And there you have the Russians or Soviets, again, because the Soviet Union, now Russia, is a country that spans both Europe and Asia, but also you have Japan, and now you have China. So Northeast Asia matters greatly. We pay serious attention to what's going on there. And if you think about World War II, the United States fought in two theaters in World War II, the European theater and the Asian theater. We fought against Imperial Japan in Asia, and we fought against Nazi Germany in Europe, two great powers that we viewed as a threat. We were deeply concerned that one of those countries might end up dominating either Europe or Asia. Right, so those two areas matter for that reason. Third area of the world that we care greatly about is the Persian Gulf. Notice I'm not saying the Middle East, I'm saying the Persian Gulf. We care about the Persian Gulf because there is oil there. There's no great power in the Persian Gulf, there's no great power in the Middle East, but there's oil there. And oil is the one critical resource that we are willing to fight and die over. We do not want a situation where any great power controls all of that oil, or any local power, be it Iran or Iraq, controls all that oil. Very important that that not happen. Those are three areas we have historically cared greatly about.